Hello everyone, my name is Rodolphe. I'm CEO and co-founder of MCADOR. Thank you very much for having me and attending this presentation. So today I will present you our startup MCADOR, and I will also present you the achievements we have made during this program. So MCADOR is a startup who have a very precise mission, which is to automate visual inspection tasks with the help of computer vision and AI algorithm. So basically what we do is we're using computer vision for real-world industrial application. So usually it's fall into two main categories. The first one is quality control, when you have an operator who inspecting something, looking at something, searching for defects or trying to find measurements, or when you have operator who doing monitoring and have to look at something for a long period of time. So what we have developed is smart cameras that can replace or assist the human eyes in those tasks. So why they are smart? Because you can train them to recognize virtually anything. So it can be counting object, looking for something, or taking measurements. So there is three main parts in our services. The first one is the usage of small data, which is like a key factor differentiating from us, because we are able to work with a small quantity of data. And it's different because using AI algorithm, most of the time you have to use a lot of data. So for our clients, the benefit is they have to use a small amount of data and they can have results faster. The second point is reliability. Because we're using in industry, we have to have like robust algorithm and something that can be used in plant or in factory. And the third point is like domain knowledge. We just not sell like smart cameras and leave. We try to understand deeply the process and try to propose the best solution. So we've been working with 15 big corporate companies like SNCF, Safran, and so on. Just to give you a few examples about us, like we've been installing smart cameras to look at defects on tracks. So we install camera under train. For Total, we've been installing camera in parking space to detect if a parking is free or not. And we've been installing camera in many plants, like for example at PSA, to be able on conveyor to look for defects on PC. So with this program, we've been able to work on a very interesting subject, which is the granulometry analysis by machine vision. So the observation is quite straightforward. You need the granulometry analysis of the aggregates to adjust the ready mix formula and to have the best ready mix possible. So the solution we think of, like with Arnaud de Laplace, is to have smart cameras that are installed in plants to be able to characterize the size distribution in real time on a conveyor. So we've been working on that. Arnaud has been sending us some sample, and we've been analyzing that to get an algorithm ready to be installed later on in the plant. So the expected gains is to have like a real-time adjustment of the ready mix, but it could also, this algorithm could also be applied into queries where we could, where that could be used to do classification. So that's the subject we've been working on, and I invite you to come later on at our booth because you will be able to see some demo of that. With Lafarge, there is many more applications possible. We've been looking into other countries and France to deploy a solution. And there is, for example, three solutions that we could deploy. It's like counting of barrels to help Lafarge to handle better their stocks. It could be counting and doing the quality control of cement bags in plant to know how many cement bags leave the factory. And it could be also, for example, looking for immobilization shocks in parking space. So thank you very much for listening to this presentation, and we invite you to come to our booth later on. Thank you very much.